Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick pizza recipe for you to enjoy in 10 minutes. We will make it on the stove top without using any flour, and the potato crust makes it even more delicious. So let's begin. The ingredients are very simple: potato, onion, shredded kashar or mozzarella, sliced peppers, some sujuk if you have, pepper flakes and oregano to season it. Using onion is optional, but since I like the caramelized flavor, I'm gonna use one. Just slice it after cutting into half. I'm using non-stick 24 cm in diameter pan. I'm going to saute my onions in some olive oil, adding salt on top to make it easier to saute. Meanwhile, I'm slicing the potato in about half centimeter thickness. In another smaller pan, I'm gonna saute my red and green peppers. I already have them from the freezer. It is especially handy when you need just a little bit for this kind of recipes. And at the same time, I'm adding my potatoes and going to saute them together with the onion until a little bit soft and some color on the sides. Season the potatoes with some salt, oregano, and red pepper flakes. To give some extra flavor, I'm gonna use some slices of sujuk. Since we are not going to bake the pizza in the oven, sauteing the toppings will give the extra taste coming from roasting. After about 5-6 minutes, it can change, depends on the potatoes. It is now softened and I have some caramelized color from the onions and also from the sides of the potatoes. So now I'm arranging it to fit to the pan and going to bind my crust simply using one egg. As soon as you pour the egg, top it with some shredded kashar or mozzarella and the sauteed peppers and sujuk. If you want to make it richer, add some olive slices. If you like pungy taste, experiment with some Turkish white cheese or feta. Sprinkle more oregano and red pepper flakes and cook for a couple of more minutes until cheeses are melted. We really loved it, the taste of the potato crust and everything, all the toppings. It's so simple, so delicious, as you can see. So give it a try, share your comments with me, give your ideas for different toppings. Check my archive for more recipes and stay tuned for upcoming new episodes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Afiyet olsun.
Okay, I've been playing off so I can't review. He said, would you like